The Warlock fragrance from Tabletop Beard is going to bring you chocolate and cherries and a touch of dark magic that is hiding behind the scenes. This really does, on first smell and first application, smell like really nice, rich chocolate with some fresh cherries. Not that artificial cough syrup stuff I can't stand. This brings it together in a beautiful harmony, but kind of as we see a theme with this company, it's never that simple, it's never that basic. There are some layers that they don't list and they let the mystery live within this. I don't know what they are, but as the day goes on, it does develop into some layers where you're like, that's not just chocolate and cherry. There's something behind it that's a little bit sweet, that's a little bit manly, but fully mysterious. I don't know what that extra note is. If you guys do, leave a review with your thoughts on this fragrance and let us know. What is the mystery to you? But if you are a fan of chocolate and or cherries, this one has to give it a chance in your beard.